Hi, and welcome to Memecoins Cracked. My name is Demetrius, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm trading meme coins to generate profits on a daily basis. Basically, my strategy here is to be able to put $1 down and make two, 5, 10, 10, 100, and maybe a variety of profits. And you'll see as proof that I've been working on this for a long time, a few months actually, and I kind of like broke the code. And the reason why is because I've been through the journey of losing, getting scammed, losing again, investing, and then breaking out and figuring it out, and then using tools to actually make my life easier, and also making it as simple as possible for anybody to be able to jump in and start trading meme coins. And we're talking about people making thousands and thousands of dollars from trading meme coins on a daily basis. This is a new income source that I'm using, that I'm providing for my already existing multiple income sources. This is something that is, for the long run, going to be around for years to come. It's been around for many years, so there's no fear of it going away. Strategies, there are many of them, thousands, and it's got nothing to do with day trading. It's like a um, zero, zero connection to day trading. This is a different gameplay here. You're basically looking for small profits wherever possible. You are in to take your profits and get out. You are not here to hold a coin and hope for the best. Some coins do make it, such as Doge coins and the Shiba Inus of this industry. They came from this platform, uh, what we call meme coins trading, etc. So what I wanted to show you today is I'm using two methods to basically trade meme coins. One is uh, to save me time, a lot of time, to cut the BS, to avoid rug pulls, which are scams. It needs time. You need to research. You need to go through. And I always felt that there's a faster method to figure it out, and I did. And the second part is me using sources to tell me what I'm supposed to go into, and they're free. So it's been, both of them have been great because I didn't want to also only depend on the sources. Okay. I didn't want to depend just on the sources, but I wanted to depend on myself to be able to go out on my own manually and trade. And I've got free tools to show you, but also the secret sources are going to be revealed inside Memecoins Cracked, and also the filters or the strategy that I'm using for figuring out which coin to jump in is also part of Memecoins Cracked that you're going to be going through. Okay, so I've made this stupid simple so anybody can follow, and I'm telling you, this is not a gambling casino thing. There's a strategy behind it. There's a mindset behind it. There's one rule in this meme coin industry and trading world, which is take your profits religiously. Like, doesn't matter what profit you're getting, take it, because all these coins tend to die down and go to zero, except maybe one or two that are the Shiba Inus or the Doge coins of today, where you can't really make money on that right now. It's always about being in the beginning. If you're able to get it in beginning or halfway through or whatnot, then you will be able to make some good profit. And right now, as an example, I'm actually doing some trades. I'm running some trades right now, and I'm going to show you how we're going to be taking a trade using the strategies that I'm using. I won't be sharing the sources where I'm getting the information from, but you learn that in meme coins, meme coins cracked. What I have for you today is somewhat into I feel confident and that I'm going to take this trade and make some profits right before your eyes. And this is what's going to make you believe if I do it a couple of times in this demo. So real quick, this is Dex Screener. It's a free tool that I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using a Telegram bot where this bot allows me to take trades. I've got my Solana in here. Things are cheaper here. Oh, Whoop. Well, this is real time right now. I'm not kidding. This is something that I put in while I was while I was in the gym. I just got back, and it just executed right now that I made some money from the trade that I put in. Okay, so let me see what I made. Okay, so for Warhol, I just earned 22. I made $11 from a $10 thing, but I took 50%. I should have kept it on. I might have gone more. Crypto Man, this is another one that I put while I was at the gym. Okay, I made $5, and I can see that one of them, I'm actually up $7. I just refreshed this. This is a Telegram bot that I do my trades on, and there will be some losses, but look at the amount of money that I'm spending in general. Okay. So this is what I'm saying. This is something that if I made $7 on this and I feel like the market is going down, I'm gonna want to sell and get out. Yeah. And go ahead and take my profits and get back in again if I wanted to. It really doesn't matter. So right now you just saw me take some because I was actually trading earlier. I made $6 on this. Okay, I put 11. I made six back. $17 in my pocket. So you do this every 2 seconds because this doesn't end. It just keeps on going. It's it's going to accumulate, and the money that you've initially invested, the $5, the $10, can become 100, and it happened with just one small trade in just 1 minute. So what I've created is a consistency in terms of finding these coins that are working. So right now we're going to go out and trade based on my strategy. I'm not going to show you the exact strategy, but I'm going to show you that I'm going to pick a coin and you're going to see it real time where I'm making profits. From all the Dex Green coins that I chose, I've only broke it down to 5 or 10 sometimes. Okay. And then what I do is this is the manual method, by the way. So what I would do is open up all these in a new tab, okay, real quick. And just by looking at the charts, I'm going to be able to understand if I should get in or get out. And everything is happening very fast. And that's why I'm saying you need to be taking your profits religiously. So right now I'm seeing that there's this Claudia one. I was actually in it. I made profit on this before, but it's been moving up. The market's been doing well. So, this could be a coin that I would like to jump in. So basically I will come in and I will go into my menu. I will buy. I will put the contact address, which I got it from here. And then I'm just going to click on that. And then I'm going to put the Solana that I want to spend, which is about $10 for this, for example. Okay. So I'm going to just wait for a little pullback uh, uh, or not. That could be working for me. That was the pullback right there, probably. And it's showing me that it's going to go up. And now I got into Claudia. Okay, so Claudia's working for me right now. If I go into my positions, I can then see I'm up $3 right now. Okay. Now, what I want to do next is also make sure that I know where I'm at. So if I buy, because I'm using a Telegram bot, which is faster, cheaper, easier to use, I think, in my book. Instead of going through the marketplaces, you have to pay fees there. So many fees. Here, I'm saving a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna choose the 00 with the average sell buy. I bought it at 432. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna do a horizontal 4. Oh, that was the earlier one. Okay, so I actually purchased it right here. Okay, somewhere right there. So right now I'm in profit. That's fine. It's running. I'm I'm I think I'm happy with this in general. But you will see this in real time where I'm I'm $4 up now. Okay, and the minus 22, the minus 228 was previously, I think I had my stop losses down on automatic, and while it was dropping, it took my stop losses, and I didn't want it to take my stop losses basically, but it did, and hopefully, which I could set up here, but it's a different story. It's for whatever for the training, but right now I'm showing you. Okay, I'm up 4. I'm gonna keep it running because I know this is kind of like going uptrend in general. Okay, it might have a little drop back. Just in case it does, I'm gonna put my stop loss lower. So here's my stop loss here. Actually, I'm not gonna put a stop loss on this one. Okay, I'm not gonna put a stop loss on this one because it is dropping down, but I think it's gonna drop down just so it can come up again as well. And this is what it's been doing for all this time because I was in here before and I wish I never got out. Okay, so but again, I'm not worried. Everything is looking good. So this is the one method right here where I'm just gonna allow it to play out, and then I'm gonna use my second method to pick the next coin for me to trade. So here's the second coin that I want to jump in, okay? And I'm gonna click on buy, and this is the basically automated the solution that I have for you as well, okay? So I'm gonna put my money there, and I'm gonna go ahead and buy. Okay, so I just purchased this specific one. So I purchased it right here, okay? And let's see what happens with this as well. So right now I got two coins out of using my one strategy and then using the second, etc. that I just showed you. So let's go back into the one that we just did. Okay, so for Claudia, we're up 351. For Warhol, we're down by 2. We're going to keep it, letting it play out. I'm also going to purchase another one because I had a nice little notification that this is a good choice to get in right now as well from the automated solution that I have. Okay, bought into this one as well. And let's see what the update is right now with everything. So AE, the one I just got in, is up 391. I already got in before at 160 and I made $1, but now it's adding up. So you can always come back in if you wanted to. Okay, Warhol -2, Claudia +4, doing pretty good. Okay, so these are my uh, let me just keep at it, and I'm gonna come back with an update with the profits that I've made from these trades that you saw me kind of like take right now. I just sold my Claudia ones. I just wanted to finish up, etc. Let me go back to my trades. I'm gonna also sell and manage my AE, another profit. Just showing you that I'm emotionless when it comes to these types of trades that I'm doing. Okay, I'm in and I'm out. I'm taking whatever profit I can take. Sometimes it will go higher or not. WPAPA, I think I can still do a little bit more than there. Well is dropped. I'll just leave it. I'll still leave well, even though I'm losing 6 on that. But let's go back into my history. Okay, so here I put 22, made 29, $6 profit, $1.38 profit because of some losses that I had in the beginning with that one. Warhol, I had a $14 profit, 23 minus 68, it's still running. Okay, +4, and then I can still get 24, and you can see the types of investments that I've been putting in. And here's another one, 8. Lost 2 on that one. Lost a few there. $10 on that. Mr. Frog. Like these are small, but they do add up or they cover losses from the rest. And most of them are wins. Okay. There's going to be more wins than losses based on what I'm teaching and sharing. I can't guarantee every single one's going to win, but if you use the strategy that I'm showing you, you will see that you'll be generating these types of profits, $4, and these are normal on a day-to-day trader. It's not like they're making. Not everybody's making the thousands unless you start investing more. So if I'm putting down $10 or $5 or 20, the numbers will play around. Either you get more rewards or more not. So I'm going through all these so you can see what I've been able to achieve in these few months testing out this strategy, and is bringing me consistent results by putting in some money down and making that money back in general. Okay, some are more than the rest. Some I should have left. I could have been 2x. Some of them were 2x off the thing. You'll see them here. Okay, so I've tested different types of investing: 23, 100, 11. So it's like 47 here. So 38 profit there, 17 there, 8, 6, 17, 13, and so forth. I'm just going through these real quick right now so you can get a good idea that it's not just 5 or 10, it's 22, 35. There's also hundreds. Okay, I put 98 right there. There was another one, 42, 98. By putting $22 down, I put $10. I made 100. Okay, so this is what I've been able to achieve, because this market is so many things that you need to learn about. You don't want to be scammed. There's another one for 80 right there. You don't want to be scammed like I have. I've spent a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. But losing money taught me what I shouldn't have done. Why did I? Because I tried everything, going throughout all these different methods that I've been doing for this specific course that I created, and I'm really proud because it's going to be the most honest, down to earth, easy course that you can go through when it has to do with financial stuff like crypto and stuff. I'm making it easy for everybody to understand how it works, and I'm really glad I have all these pages of proof of what I've been going through, what I've done, and it's profits 17, 22, 6, 2, 1. And in the beginning it was really bad. Okay, it was really bad because I wasn't using a bot. I was losing money on fees. I didn't know why. So $11 made 40 over there, $11 made 30, another one, $11 made that. See those numbers, how they just add up. 109, that 109 from $22. There's one, the best one, the one that sparked like, oh wow, that was crazy, was the $10 one, and I made 138. Okay, so $10 down and I made 138. And this is what sparked my interest of, wait a minute, I just figured something out. Now, even here, we can see that this is still going up. I sold it. Okay. So it's all about, taking risks in small investments to make good profits from whatever you're doing. So, good thing for some of them, I sold. I made my profits back because, like I said, these things die, they go to zero. And you'll learn more about everything inside my Memecoins Cracked course that's going to come out soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you inside the next video. Okay, so I wanted to also do a small update on what we just did as well, and plus some other little trades that came on through. They pretty saved me. Remember, I was down by 6 with I got it down to -2, so that was good. Got out perfect. With AE, I got back in, made another $10 on that. Perfect. Okay. Pepe was up plus, because I know you guys saw some minuses. Claudia, 138 profit, not too crazy, and so forth. Warhol, -1, but I made $14. I went to get in again, and then it was a mistake. I had to get out. But basically, I minimized my losses, and then we're back in profits, etc. So yeah, just wanted to do a small update on this because when I came back, I was like, okay, I got some results now better than the ones that we took on the video. So once again, thank you again for watching this demo on Memecoins Cracked. You'll learn more about this and how you can do the same exact thing of what I'm doing every day with meme coins in general, meme coins trading. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you inside.